Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel and to our first weekly stamping collab of the year 2022. These are the manicures that we prepared, and I'll have links to everybody's video in the description box below. Let's get started. As a base, I'm already wearing these four gorgeous Madam Glam gel polishes from their December 2021 collection. All four are cat eye gel polishes. I want to try to use these Sinful Colors Hypnotic Transforming Top Coats. I haven't used them in a while, so I don't know if they still work, but I want to try to create some type of nail art using them. They're called Rebel and Purpunk. And since one of the requirements is to have at least one nail stamped, I'm going to use this BPL061 stamping plate from Born Pretty. I start by applying drops of the polishes onto the image and use my stamper to smush it down together. Then I scrape off the excess and pick it up with another stamper and stamp it directly onto my nail. That looks okay, but I want to add a little bit of shine or shimmer to it, so I'm going to go ahead and include a gold polish in the mix. I follow the same steps and stamp the same image onto the next nail. I want to try to use the leftover polish that stayed on the original stamper, so I'm going to carefully flip it over and press it gently onto my nail to cover it completely. It looks really pretty. Now I use an orange wood stick to remove the excess pieces of polish, and if there's any left over, I'll use a nail art brush dipped in nail polish remover. I took a little piece from the bottom, this extra, and I attached it to the top of the nail to cover up the piece that was missing. Then I pick up the same design and stamp it onto the nail. I decided to use the second leftover polish to cover my thumbnail. I follow the same steps, carefully peeling it up and flipping it over onto the stamper and then press it gently onto the nail. And I finish off by stamping the same design over it. To seal in the design, I'll use my matte top coat from Shop Miss A. And now we wait for it to dry. Once the matte top coat dries, the manicure is complete and I really love the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. That really helps out my channel. Thank you.